My friends, I am Arthur. Today, I'm telling you about the biggest mistake people make when they get a raise. If you make this mistake, even if your salary increases, you won't be able to save. The mistake is increasing your spending as soon as you get the raise. A very, very wrong move. A new car, a more expensive house, a luxury vacation. It sounds great, but if you do these, you will have consumed the raise. You'll end up with the same amount in your pocket. The right thing, save at least half of the raise. If your salary goes from 50,000 Turkish liras to 60,000 Turkish liras, immediately transfer 5,000 of the extra 10,000 Turkish liras to your investment account via automatic order. You can improve your life with the remaining 5,000 Turkish liras. This way, both your living standards rise and your savings grow. After 5 years, there will be a huge gap between those who apply this rule and those who don't. Remember, the raise is the reward for your effort. Instead of spending that money immediately, use it to build your future. Enjoy the show. Invest. A new video is on the channel in 4 days. Enjoy the show.